bright as fuck. Hang on. Okay, that's better. Hey guys, so I know I really haven't done any like YouTube videos, you know, on my channel before, but I guess this is my first one. But so I woke up one day and I was like, you know what? I want to pierce my nose, but things didn't work out, and so I had to re-pierce it, and yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. It didn't hurt the first time. Hopefully it won't hurt this time, but let's see. So I just got some studs, you know, just rip it open, but like, that doesn't matter. So there's 4 sizes. I don't know if you guys can see that in here. Yeah, you see it. Come on, focus. There it is. So basically, I'm just gonna clean my nose, sterilize everything, and just go for it, you know? You only live once, and it really is just a piercing. If I don't like it, I'll just take it out, so that's fine with me. Let's go. Okay, so I really do not know what size. There's 4 sizes, but I'm not sure what size to do, so we'll figure that out later. But first, I'm just gonna sterilize the pierce. Hang on, focus. The needle, right? Just in some hydrogen peroxide. And I'm also gonna sterilize the studs. There's 4 sizes, like here's the smallest one. Don't wanna drop it. But there's tiny as fuck. So probably not that, because I got a fat ass nose. So yeah, let's just sterilize those 2. Little splishy splash. And I'm gonna let that sit for a good second just to clean off all the bacteria and everything. I should fucking be in frame. I'm fucking stupid. Yeah, while I let that clean, I'm gonna put on some gloves, sanitize that too, and you know, just clean my hands and shit. I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, so I sanitized everything and cleaned everything. Now it's time to go. Not that nervous. I already did it before. I just have a tube, and then basically stick it through. But 3, 2. Oh, I can't do it.
A few moments later.
And go for it. And it's through. So like it happened. I did it. Took me a good minute to get it in, but like, hang on, let it focus. It's not bad. I'm not mad at it, to be honest. I mean, it's just a piercing, so like if I want, like my parents don't know. But like, here, it's just a piercing. If I want to take it out, I can. It's not like a tat, you know? So, yeah, thumbs up. It was good. It was successful. It's really not bad. I like it. Got a shave, get a fresh cut. looks so much better. Thank you for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Please like, subscribe. Peace.
Yeah, I buzz down, Tatiana. Yeah, I want to see you buzz down. Buzz down, Tatiana.